Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been so long. I kind of was like in a funk, but now I'm back and it feels so good to be filming. Today I want to do like a sultry smoky fall look. I've already moisturized and I kind of primed my face and applied some illuminator, and I used my Charlotte Tilbury the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I used shade 7 and shade 5. I mixed them together. So I'm going to just jump right into this video, and I'm going to start with my face today. I'm going to put on some foundation, and today I'm going to be using my Elcie foundation, and this is in the shade Almond. This is such a pretty foundation. It's like medium buildable coverage, and it gives a really beautiful finish. Like if you're looking for like really pretty soft focused skin, this is like the perfect foundation for that. So good. Next, I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I wanted like a really flawless base, and so I decided to use my Tarte Shape Tape. I usually use 2 because I could never find like my perfect shade that I would like for my under eye. So I have it in tan, sand, and deep. So I just like to mix the 2 together. And I'm sure most of you own this concealer or have heard of this concealer, and it's very, very full coverage. So if you're going for that really glammed up look like I'm going for today, this concealer is like perfect for that. I haven't used it in a while actually. And I'm just gonna take my Sephora concealer brush. I'm gonna list everything in the description box and just blend that out before I go in with my beauty blender. I feel like I get it distributed like more, like it's more even when I use my brush, and then go in with the beauty blender. So I'm just gonna blend that out. Next, for cream contour, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury contour wand in medium dark. I wasn't gonna use it since I used it in my last video where I talk about like my favorite products from her, but I kept seeing like on her page that she was at the Victoria's Secret fashion show and she kept like using it, and I just got so inspired and I figured I'm just gonna use it. So I'll blend it out with my e.l.f. stippling brush, and it just melts into your skin for like a beautiful, natural, flawless cheekbone. It's just lovely. Now I'm gonna set my under eye, and I'm using my Natasha Denona powder. I'm gonna list it in the description box, the shade and everything, and this is a beautiful powder. At least I think it's a beautiful powder for setting the under eye. It comes in 2 shades. I of course have the darker 2. At least I believe it comes in 2 shades. But I'm gonna double check that. But I'm definitely gonna list everything in the description box. I think it sets everything like really nicely. So I'm gonna take a break from my face, and I'm gonna move on to my eyes. And I've had this palette for a while. This Dose of Colors, the Desi times Katy Friendication palette. The first time they did a collab with Dose of Colors, I didn't get anything. The second collab, I saw this palette, I really liked it, I picked it up, and it it just sat there for whatever reason. I don't know. It came and I never swatched it. As you can see, I haven't touched it. But I figured I want to do something nice and sultry and smoky, and I figured I was looking at this beautiful color up here. The colors are listed in the back. I wouldn't be able to see without my glasses, so I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna list it in the description box. And so I'm going to go in with this beautiful brown shade right here, and I think I'm gonna try to do like a kind of halo look. At least I'm gonna attempt it. Oh wow, it's very pigmented. And I'm just gonna put, oh wow, this is gorgeous. I don't know why I never picked up this palette before. I have too much makeup, that's why. And then I'm gonna put some like right in the corner. But I'm not gonna put any in the middle because I'm gonna put that blue shade. It's like blue, purpley kind of shade. And when this palette launched, everybody was like reviewing it and stuff like that. And I don't know, I just never paid attention to like the video and stuff like that. So, like to their videos. I saw it, I don't think I ever sat down and looked at a video on this palette. That's a very pretty color. So now I'm gonna go in with this, it's like a purpley, it looks dual chrome because when I twist it this way it looks purple, but when I look down with it this way it looks kind of blue. Anyway, I'm gonna use my fingers for this, and I'm going to put it on the center of my lid. It comes with a little mirror. I'm gonna use the mirror. Wow. Woo! Holy pigment. This is a very, very stunning color. And I'm not a person that loves color, but I really wanted to do something other than gold, or you know, like a warm, those warm colors that I love. And this is not too bad. Very pretty. So I'm just gonna clean around the edges. I don't want to like disturb too much of the pigment, and I think I'm gonna put I'm trying to find my brush that I use for my bottom lash line. Oh, here it is. And I'm using the Morphe Tan Jack and Hill brushes. I'm gonna go in with this darker brown shade right here, and I'm just gonna smoke out my bottom lash. Wow, these shades are super, super pigmented. It really is a nice palette. I mean, this is like my first impression, but it's really pretty. Very pretty to look at as well. Colors really pop. They jump out at you. Alright, so I'm going to go in with liner and lashes, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I'm back with liner and lashes on. I'm using my HudaBeauty lashes in Sasha, and I'm just going to set everything with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is in medium deep. This is also one of my favorite powders, and I like to use my beauty blender to put this on. I love using my beauty blender to put on loose powders. And I'm gonna add some of the glow powder over top of this, and this is also in medium deep. And I'm gonna take my big e.l.f. powder brush, and I'm just gonna put it around my face. I'm gonna put some powder contour on as well, and for that I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs, and this is 104 Tantastic. This is what it looks like, and I know you're probably thinking, oh my god, on your complexion, but it works. It shows up on my skin tone. I like it a lot because it's not too much. I think it just puts the perfect amount of color that I want, and I kind of bring it out on my cheek. I think it's very pretty. Also smells amazing, and you get so much product. Now I'm gonna go in with a little blush, and I'm gonna use my MAC blush, and where's my blush brush? I'm drawing a blank. This is, I'll put it in the description box. Trace Gold. And this is like my favorite blush from MAC here, and I'm drawing a blank. I can't tell you the name of it. Springsteen. Oh, duh. I love mixing these two together for this beautiful sheen because I want my cheek, like, I know it's fall glam, but I still want my cheek like really, really highlighted. So this plus my highlighter. I'm wondering if I should put like a color in my tear duct from this palette. I hope I don't end up ruining the look because I'm loving the way it came out, but let's see. I'm gonna try this shade right here. It's like a champagne gold. Looks a little chunky, but let's see. Because I'm looking at my eyes and I feel like it's missing something. Okay, I think that looks very nice. I just felt as though I needed something else. I mean, I know I have a lot going on my eye, but anyway, so now I'm gonna set my face, and then I'm gonna go in with my highlighter and my lips. I'm using my Morphe spray. I love this. I can't even see the hole. Smells so good. And for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs. This is the Omega Glaze. This has become like my favorite highlighter, and just gonna put it on my cheek, the apple of my cheek, and then slightly bring it up, but I prefer it on the apple of my cheek. I think it looks really pretty there. Like I said, I'm going in with a lot of highlighter today. Like, I haven't worn makeup in a while, and I'm just like, I'm going ham. Some on my nose. And if you guys own this Morphe spray, it just gives such a beautiful glow, and the glow lasts for a like really long time. Alright, so now for lips. I'm going in with my favorite lip pencil, and I'm gonna do a nude lip because I have such a dark smoky eye. And this is Hitch lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and this is in the shade Hepburn Honey. This is what it looks like. It's like a beautiful, beautiful nude color, and it feels amazing on the lips. It's like really, really creamy. super, super luxurious. Alright guys, so this concludes the look. Excuse my hair, I need a perm. I'm overdue for a perm. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had fun making it, and it's so good to be back. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much. For everyone who always leaves like a nice comment on my videos, I really, really appreciate it, because sometimes when I come on here, I'm still so nervous. So I really appreciate all the support, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to see you again in my next video. Bye guys.